Here's a simple step-by-step guide showing you how to set up delivery instructions on Amazon. First, open Amazon in your browser and sign in to your account. Using the desktop site gives you access to all delivery instruction options. Hover over Account and Lists at the top right and click Account. Now scroll down to the Ordering and Shopping Preferences section and select your addresses. Find the address you want to update and click Edit. You can add delivery notes for any saved home, work, or business address. Scroll down until you see Add Delivery Instructions. Here you can set your building type, house, apartment, business, etc. Whether the driver should knock, ring the bell, or leave safely, gate codes or access notes, where to leave packages, front door, side door, garage, or a preferred safe spot. Enter all the details you want your driver to follow. Some addresses allow extra options like Amazon Key Delivery, Photo on Delivery, Hidden from Street Placement. Enable these if you want added security. When you're done, scroll down and click Save Instructions. Your delivery notes will now automatically apply to all future orders sent to this address. And that's it. Your Amazon delivery instructions are now set up.